Welcome to 2026, a year that promises to reshape our world in ways many of us are only beginning to grasp. In this video, we'll explore the most significant technology trends heading our way. From powerful new AI infrastructure to quantum leaps in computing, mixed reality devices that blur the line between physical and virtual, and advanced chips that put artificial intelligence everywhere. These are not wild sci-fi fantasies. These are real, emerging technologies backed by major companies, research organizations, and engineers who are building the future right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what 2026 could look like, and how that future could change your life. What are your predictions for the year 2026? Let us know in the comments. Let's begin. One of the biggest shifts coming in 2026, AI native infrastructure. According to Gartner, companies are designing data centers around AI, not just storing data, but running AI workloads directly on specialized hardware. What does that mean? Think of data centers filled with not only CPUs and GPUs, but custom AI accelerators, neuromorphic chips, and memory specially designed for large-scale AI. These systems will let organizations run bigger, more complex models and do it faster, more efficiently. Another part of this shift is edge-first computing. Instead of sending all data to the cloud, more processing happens locally. Imagine smart factories, self-driving vehicles, and IoT devices that don't rely on constant cloud connectivity. They make decisions instantly, right where they are. This convergence of AI plus edge means lower latency, better privacy, and more resilient systems. And it all ties into the larger architecture of tomorrow. Infrastructure built not just for data, but for intelligence. AI in 2026 won't just follow your commands. It'll act on its own. We're entering the era of agentic AI, where intelligent agents can complete multi-step tasks across apps, websites, and environments. For example, you tell your AI agent to plan and book a trip under my budget. The agent checks flights, compares hotel options, looks at your calendar, and even buys tickets for you. Another example in work. Agentic AI could be used to automatically gather research, write first drafts of reports, or even generate code. These agents don't just assist, they collaborate. The significance is huge. Productivity could skyrocket. But it also raises tough questions about control, trust, and how much we delegate to machines. In 2026, Edge AI will be one of the defining trends. Unlike traditional AI that depends on central servers, Edge AI runs directly on devices, phones, sensors, smart cameras. Why is this important? Because it enables real-time decisions with minimal latency. For example, a security camera that detects a threat and responds immediately, or a medical device that monitors vital signs and alerts a doctor in real time. It's not just about speed, it's also about privacy. Sensitive data stays local instead of going to the cloud. Edge AI is the backbone of the next generation IoT, smarter, more responsive, and far more efficient. Prepare for a major leap in how we experience computing. Spatial computing is coming. According to experts, 2026 will bring more advanced AR and VR devices that blend the physical and digital seamlessly. One device on the horizon, Samsung's Galaxy XR, a mixed reality headset expected to reach more users thanks to better performance and stronger AI integration. And from Meta, their Ray-Ban AI glasses will likely see wider release, offering built-in displays, real-time translation, maps, and even visual replies from Meta AI. Imagine walking down the street and seeing floating directions in your glasses, or virtual pop-up notes explaining things in your field of view. These devices will revolutionize work, education, and even everyday tasks. Learning a new language? AR could display translations, designing a project you build in 3D space. Spatial computing also powers next-gen collaboration, virtual 3D workspaces where teams build together, no matter where they are. Quantum computing isn't just a lab experiment anymore. By 2026, we're expecting real-world quantum breakthroughs. According to tech analysts, quantum processors will begin solving practical problems in logistics, pharmaceuticals, and complex data simulation. These are not just toy qubits. Companies are building hybrid architectures that combine classical and quantum processing to tackle real challenges. Why does this matter? Because quantum can break new ground in drug discovery, simulating molecules much faster, optimization, finding better routes for delivery or more efficient manufacturing. Cryptography, building stronger quantum-resistant encryption. But there's also risk. Quantum computing could break current encryption, demanding a shift to quantum-secure systems for data and communication. 2026 is also the year of next-generation hardware. One big leap, LPDDR6 memory. According to reports, this new type of RAM is designed for mobile devices and AI, offering higher performance with lower power consumption. On the AI computing front, NVIDIA is launching Vera Rubin chips in 2026, designed for ultra-fast AI inference and training. And not just NVIDIA, Qualcomm is entering the AI data center space with its AI200 inference accelerator. These new chips will make AI faster, more efficient, and more accessible in both cloud and edge environments. Combined with memory improvements like LPDDR6, devices from smartphones to intelligent robots will have power like never before. One of the most futuristic yet increasingly realistic trends is brain-computer interfaces. Companies are developing ways for humans to interact with machines using thought. No keyboard, no voice, just your mind. In 2026, more advanced BCs could emerge for consumer applications, controlling smart devices, augmented reality interfaces, or even creating content with your thoughts. This isn't just about control, though BC is also open the door for accessibility. People with disabilities could communicate more freely. Learning could happen in new ways. But ethical questions rise. Who owns your brain data? How do we protect mental privacy when thoughts can be translated to actions? So what does 2026 really look like? It's not just a year of faster phones or smaller devices. It's a turning point. AI everywhere, quantum is real, intelligence on the edge, and humans merging with machines. But with that power comes responsibility. We have to ask, how do we shape this future? Will we build systems that empower people or systems that replace them? The choices we make now will echo into the next decade. Which 2026 tech are you most excited or most worried about? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos every weekday.